In this tip of the day, let's take a look at changing the logo within the OneCNC job sheet. Now to do this, head over to the upper left-hand corner and select File. From there, select OneCNC Properties, and within the Properties dialog box, select the Job Sheet tab. From there, you're going to notice an option called Company Logo. Click the button that says Change, and then do a search for the file that you'd like to use. You can use PNG files or JPEGs. In this example, I'm going to be using a JPEG file called precision.jpg. I'm going to double click that, and now you can see a representation of the logo has been loaded. We'll click OK, and now when we generate a job sheet, let's double click on our toolpath operation, select Job Sheet. You're going to notice that the brand new logo is now in the upper right-hand corner. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.